Hey Charlotte, Rich Allen here, coming to you from just north of Dallas. I'm actually in the town of Prosper. This is my auto care center that I go to frequently. And hey, I just wanted to reach out to you. I'm so excited to put in my application for your speaking event that you have coming up. I'm passionate about what you're doing. I love the fact that you've niched down into a very specific target audience. And I got to tell you, I think I could really have an impact with your attendees and with your business owners. I use a bike as a metaphor for a business. It allows business owners to see their business in a little different way, and it also allows their business owners to engage with their employees in a way that they can get really fired up and understand what they're trying to accomplish in their business. I think my message would go really well with how you do your coaching for your businesses. So I think we would mesh well together, and I think I would be able to bring something that you could then leverage and build on as you communicate and talk and work with your business owners. So I'd love the opportunity to talk to you more. I'd love to be able to share with you the details of how I use a bike as a metaphor for a business and how that might apply to your auto repair shop owners. But I got to tell you, I'm fired up. I'm excited about the possibility. I'll look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to me, ask me any questions you want, but I think I can enhance your message. I think I could help you, and I know your business owners would be fired up when they hear the message. So I look forward to hearing from you, Charlotte. Thanks again for taking the time to listen to this message, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day. Take care.